Zohran Mamdani has recently been elected as the next mayor of New York City in a historic victory. Here are the key updates. Electoral victory. He won the New York City mayoral election, defeating former Governor Andrew Cuomo and Republican Curtis Sliwa. Historic firsts. At 34 years old, he will become New York City's youngest mayor in over a century. He will also be the city's first Muslim, first South Asian, and first Indian origin mayor. Political stance. Mamdani is a self described democratic socialist and a member of the Democratic Party. His campaign focused on affordability with proposals like free universal child care, fare free public buses, city owned grocery stores, and a rent freeze on rent stabilized units. Transition. He has announced an all female transition team, led by Elana Leopold as executive director, to prepare for his administration. Current office. He is currently a member of the New York State Assembly from the 36th District, representing the Queens neighborhood of Astoria, and was elected in 2020. Assumption of office. His term as mayor officially begins on 1st January 2026. Voter turnout. The election saw a high level of participation, with turnout surging past 2 million voters, the highest level in one of the city's mayoral elections since 1969. Welcome to our Medina channel. Subscribe, like, share. Zohran Mamdani's platform centers heavily on affordability and expanding the city's social safety net, funded primarily by increasing taxes on the wealthy and corporations. Here are his main policy proposals as mayor-elect of New York City. Housing and affordability. Rent freeze. Implement a complete rent freeze for all 1 million rent-stabilized tenants in the city. He plans to achieve this by appointing new members to the Rent Guidelines Board, RGB. Affordable housing. Triple the city's production of permanently affordable, union-built, rent-stabilized homes, aiming for 200,000 new units over the next 10 years. Fast-track development. Expedite the approval process for any development that is 100% affordable. Transportation. Fare-free public buses. Eliminate fares on all NYC buses to make transit free for all riders. Faster bus service. Significantly expand dedicated bus lanes and implement queue jump signals to speed up bus travel times across the city. Funding. The free bus program would be funded by raising state corporate and income taxes on millionaires. Social services. Universal childcare. Implement free, zero-fee childcare for every child in New York City aged 6 weeks to 5 years old. Childcare worker wages. Increase wages for childcare workers to be at parity with public school teachers. City-run grocery stores. Create a small network of city-owned grocery stores, one or more in each borough, to counter high food prices by buying and selling at wholesale, with the goal of keeping prices low rather than making a profit. Economy and taxation. Tax increases. Propose raising an estimated $9 billion in new revenue by increasing the corporate tax rate to match New Jersey's currently 11.5%. Implementing a flat 2% income tax on the wealthiest 1% of New Yorkers, those earning over $1 million annually. Minimum wage. Raise the city's minimum wage from $16.50 to $30 per hour by 2030. Implementation challenges. It's important to note that many of his most ambitious proposals, such as the tax increases, universal childcare funding, and fare-free buses, will require approval and cooperation from the New York State Legislature and Governor Kathy Hochul in Albany, as they fall outside the mayor's unilateral control.